learned 4 things about Kenya very quickly. Number 1, we chose the wrong time to go. If someone asks you when's the best time to go to another country, it's probably not when they're in the middle of a national protest. Every Thursday, 100,000 young people would storm downtown Nairobi protesting a financial bill. Second thing I learned about Kenya, there's not a lot of people that look like me. First week being in Kenya, I'm walking downtown Nairobi. A local person starts yelling at me, Mzungu! I didn't know what it meant, so I ran over. I was like, Mzungu! Mzungu means white person. I used it to the best of my ability as an excuse to connect with people. The third thing I learned about Kenya, most delicious food. Nyama choma, ugali, githeri, maize, some of their classic food I fell in love with. And the fourth thing I learned about Kenya, there are 42 different tribes that all live in a different geographical region across the country that speak a different language and have their own set of beautiful cultural practices.